in the shop resawing some Jatoba, also known as Brazilian cherry, very dense hardwood. And this is the Tenryu ATBR 50-tooth table saw blade. ATBR stands for alternate bevel. And then there's a raker tooth. You can see the flat tooth right there. And I have to say, I'm really impressed with this blade. I've been using it now for about 2 months. I've just used it for about an hour and a half resawing this material. So I'll go ahead, make 2 rips at true speed so you can get an idea of how fast it cuts. And then we'll take a look at the finished cut. But I have to say, I'm very impressed with this blade. And if you like what you see, I'll have a link to the blade down in the description below. So just a short video. People are always asking me what type of blade I use. I use a bunch of different blades, but like I said, I've been using this now for about 2 months. It's only $55. And I think it does a really nice job. So I'm impressed with it. Thought I'd pass it on.